Hello there. Miss Brown is here. We're going to have a short little discussion of the water cycle. Some interesting things sometimes kids don't realize about water. We buy water in bottles and we buy big bowls of water, put in water coolers to drink. But that water is not new. All the water we have on earth has been here forever and will be here forever. I often tell kids the glass of water you drank this morning could have been drunk by an elephant 200 years ago. So, there's no new water. It just all goes through the system, flushes through us and our bodies, or we sweat it out or something, and it just goes back into the system to be used again. There's no water factory. It's just all been here and will be here. So it's an important resource we have to take care of. So on your paper, I want you to write down how much new water is available. None. There is no new water available on our planet. And it's simply cycled and used over and over again. And organisms just borrow it. We borrow it as it goes through the cycle and we put it back out there. However, all organisms do, from plants, bacteria, humans, elephants, dogs, cats. We all just use it and put it right back in there. Now, I want you to write down some things. There's 4 steps to the water cycle: evaporation, transpiration, condensation, and precipitation. So I want you to write these down. Evaporation is liquid water from the surface and it returns to the atmosphere as a gas. And then transpiration is liquid water that comes from the leaf openings of plants and returns to the atmosphere as a gas. And always keep in mind you can stop the PowerPoints and move on with them. Then you have condensation. That's when water vapor cools in the upper atmosphere to form a liquid water. It has to do with rain and clouds. You also get some condensation here. If you're outside with a cool drink on a warm, humid day, we often say it's sweating, and it's not really sweating. It's just the condensation of the humid air around the cold drink, around the side of your glass or the side of the bottle of water you're drinking. And the cycle just repeats itself over and over. And, of course, there's precipitation. That's the most common, I think, to kids that they know, is it where water falls back to earth as rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Now, on your notes, if you are a virtual learner, I want you to draw the water cycle. And if you are a traditional learner, on the back of your organizer, I have an activity there where you'll use your colored pencils to color in an activity about the water cycle. Thank you.